this short demo, we'll take a look at how the Warehouse Management app works with Unleashed for receipting batch-tracked goods. So, I've placed a purchase order in Unleashed. This order contains multiple products and, importantly, one of them requires batch tracking. This means when we receive this product, we'll need to capture additional information like batch numbers and expiry dates. Now let's see what happens when this order arrives at the warehouse. Open the Unleashed Warehouse Management app on your mobile device. From the home screen, tap on the Receive Goods tile. This will display all purchase orders that are ready to be received into your warehouse. Select the purchase order you want to receive. When you get to a batch-tracked item, you need to enter the batch details. Tap on the batch field and enter the batch number, the quantity for that batch, and the expiration date. If your delivery contains multiple batches of the same product, you can easily add additional batch records. You can also edit or amend any batch information before confirming the receipt. For items without batch tracking, you can simply confirm the quantity received. No batch details are needed. Once you've completed the receipt, the purchase order in Unleashed will automatically update to receipted status. All the batch information you entered, including batch numbers, quantities, and expiration dates, will be reflected in Unleashed and available for tracking. And that's receipting batch-tracked goods in Unleashed with the Warehouse Management app. Thanks for watching.